Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is a small vlog from the last gone Sunday. So on Sunday the weather was very good, so my husband said that let's go somewhere. So we all, after having our lunch around 1 o'clock, we decided to go for a long drive, and we went to a village which is 40 minutes distance by car from our place. So that was a beautiful driveway vlog to the village of Fox Lakes. Talking about the village, that village is into Lake County, Illinois, and it was a sunny day, so we thought of going out there. The village was incorporated on December 15, 1906, and there was a beautiful lake called Fox Lake there, and the village is named after that only, so it is called Fox Lake Village. The village center is located on the south shore of Pistakee Lake, Nippersink Lake and Fox Lake, and these were the three connected water bodies that form a part of the chain of lake system. There is a chain of lake state park also a little far from the village. We have a plan to do some kind of activities there in future when the weather gets a little more better. I will definitely upload a vlog about that in future. So it was so peaceful. The population of that village is also very less, and it is really peaceful to go into any countryside. Yeah, and we really had a good time there, and around 5 o'clock we returned back home. So it was really a good getaway outside. So I just thought of sharing it with you all. And there is nothing like the peace of the countryside, really. This is the Fox Lake, and we were standing on the bank of the Fox Lake. We were just observing the sounds of the nature.
Đắc xia. Xia कौन है? कौन है xia?
So at around 5 o'clock in evening we came back home. We came back timely because it was Sunday, so I had to do preparation for the next day also. And it was really a good getaway, a very bright sunny day. And my mother-in-law also, she liked the village a lot. It was so peaceful, and she also liked the lake. We have not shown her Chicago Lake in a proper way yet. So this was the first lake which she was seeing there, and we will go to Chicago Lake when definitely the weather will get much better. So yeah, it was really good, and I hope summer are very good this time, and I wish you all that you enjoy a great summer coming ahead and have a great time with your families. It's really nice to go out with your family and enjoy the time, and if that is the countryside which is the so peaceful things, then definitely we should enjoy. And I'm going home right now, and it's a very small vlog. I just recorded these clips, and I have combined all those clips together along with some of the information of the place which I have visited. So I hope you liked it, and keep connected. As you all know, my name is Gaura and my channel is Hope You Relate. And if you are new to my channel, so you can see all the videos which I have uploaded so far. Thank you very much. Lots of love. Bye bye.